What? Yeah? Say dada. 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 Parker, you know how to say this? Dada. 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 Huh? 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 Hey, do you guys know each other? Kind of? Say dada. Good try. Good try. Hey, Parker. 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 Say dada. 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 That's not dada. You're trying for mommy. It's dada. Dada. Nope. Nope, that's not English or Spanish. Maybe it is. I don't know. Yeah? Yeah? What's he saying? Stomp. Stomp. If you can't say dada and say bye-bye. 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 Everybody wave bye. Everybody wave bye. Or eat your feet. There you go. See ya.